So, your games are not running because of missing DLL, and this is how you fix it. Open this link from description, download and install DirectX, and the installation will take some time depending on your internet speed. And now open second link from description and download all redistributable packages. Extract and install all redistributables, both x86 and x64 packages. And from now on, you are not going to see those missing DLL errors ever again. And I hope you are not going to miss those errors. But you're gonna miss me for sure.